Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, and I would like to welcome you in this moral science class. Dear students, in last class that we have completed only half of the chapter of lesson number 12. Half of the chapter reading and understanding we have done because chapter number 12 was the quite big lesson. So in today's class we are going to complete the remaining half of the chapter reading and understanding. So let's begin the chapter. So here it is explained that you have a study. Just I want to remind you that what you have studied, that in remaining half chapter it was explained that Kibomi is very much excited because the next day it is going to be the eventful day, because Kibomi is going to go with Lolinda and Chungu to join the study group. Okay, in that junior youth group, he means he will go to participate. Because of that, it was eventful day. And what is happening? That same day, the study circle is going to begin at Mukembi's house. So everyone wakes up early in that morning, and everyone is helping each other to clean the house. Kibomi is arranging some chairs for the study circle in the porch, in the outside lane. Okay, and then he becomes ready, getting ready, and he's sitting and waiting for the Lorinda and Chungu to get ready. That time only what happened, all the guests starts arriving, and when all the guests arrived already, then what is happening, Mrs. Mukembi, she welcomes all the guests, and then what is happening there, class starts there. This all the things you have studied there, and so many discussion is going on in that group study circle. They are studying that betterment of the world can be accomplished through pure and goodly deeds, and this all the things they are talking, and discussion is going on, and Kibomi is very much curious to know all the answers, but he did not get the opportunity to get the answers because he has to leave. Loinda and Chungu is ready now, and with them everyone is moving. Okay, all three. And when they are reaching near the town, they departed each other. No, they are departed means like Lolinda, she is going in another side of the town, and Chungu and Kibomi, they are going another side, and then they are reaching to a house where a person whose name was Benson, he welcomes both of them, and then he also introduces to the group. Mr. Benson is introducing Kibomi to the group about the that he is Kibomi, and then he feels comfortable there, and then he is participating in the class. Okay, like that discussion is going on in that group. So that only further we are studying. Here it is given, if we make an effort, says another, God help us. This is what is that confirmation means. Actually, what happened in that group, they are discussing about the means book is going to end. They are talking about the confirmation. Everyone is discussing in the group that someone is saying that one girl is saying that the bird, it made effort to fly and wind help it. So that is the meaning of confirmation. And then another person is saying that if we make an effort, in the same manner, if you make effort, if you do something, God help us. This is what I think confirmation means. And Kibomi also understands. He tells them what happened to him and how easy it is to lose hope. Okay, Kibomi, he is explaining to all the group that what happened to him and how it is easy to lose hope. He was about to lose hope. But once I made the choice not to follow the way of violence, I received God's confirmation. He is also explaining that when I have decided or that I will not choose the path of violence, so then I got the confirmation of God. I received the God's confirmation. I received the God's help. Kibomi is explaining. Then after this discussion, the members of the group go to the discuss a service project they want to carry out before they start studying another book, because the book which they were studying, Bridges of Confirmation, it is about to end and all the members of the group, they are discussing about the service project which they will carry before starting a new book. Okay, Kibomi cannot contribute much to the discussion. Kibomi is not able to contribute in that discussion more, but he is listening to every word of the other say. Whatever others are saying, he is listening every word, and he feels that he is the part of the group and attracted by the force of unity that binds them together. Means he is attracted by the force of unity, how they are connected there. When I settle in my uncle's home, I will find a group like this in his firm decision. Kibomi is thinking that when he will settle at his uncle's home, then he will also form same this kind of group only he will form, and this is his firm decision. Now what happened on their way back home? Now after the class, Chungu and Kibomi, they are going back to the home. So on the way back home, Chungu and Kibomi notice that there is a lot of people in the street, on the road, on the street. So many people were there. A Kungu leader has been killed and tension is high. Why this is so much crowd there, so much people are there? Because one Kungu leader has been killed, and because of that it is tension is very high in that atmosphere, and they have only walked a short distance when they hear a loud explosion. Okay, when they have gone little only, they have walked, then they heard that a loud explosion was there. Explosion, you are knowing explosion, that one when like bomb, when bomb is blasting, then explosion is there. Okay, explosion was there, shots are fired and people began to flee. Okay, shots began to fire, means start gun starts shooting, and everyone people start running here and there. That is meaning of flee. And Kibomi shouts, Chungu, let's go back to Benson's house. They run, but suddenly Kibomi falls and Chungu cannot see him anymore. Okay, Kibomi is shouting that to Chungu, let's go back to the Benson's home. They run, but suddenly Kibomi falls and Chungu cannot see him anymore, because so many people were crowd was there. He calls his name and pushes his way through the crowd. He is pushing the crowd towards where Kibomi is there, and he is shouting his name. He is not able to see him. He finds Kibomi laying on the ground. What Chungu is finding Kibomi, that he is laying on the ground, holding his leg. There is blood on his trousers. On his trousers, blood were there. With Chungu's help, Kibomi stand up and limps painfully to Benson's house. With the help of Chungu, that Kibomi stands up and limps painfully. Limps means like how limp. Limp, no, that who is not able to walk properly. So limp people, how they are taking with the help of a stick, they are walking. So in the same manner, Kibomi, he is holding Chungu's that shoulder, and then he is walking painfully to the Benson's house. Benson gets his bicycle and takes Kibomi through the back street to the clinic. And what Benson is doing? Benson is taking out his bicycle, and through the back street only he is taking Kibomi to the health clinic. Okay, Chungu runs behind them and Chungu runs behind the bicycle. At the clinic, there is a line of people with injuries waiting to be treated. When they have reached to the clinic, already so many people are there. Okay, already line of people is there who got the injury and waiting to be treated. The bullet has only grazed Kibomi's leg. Okay, he has not gone inside the leg, but just only it grazed. Grazed means little only it has touched and gone. And he patiently waits for his turn, and because of that Kibomi is waiting for his turn, that when everyone will be treated, then when he will get his turn, so he will be also treated. The nurse cleans his wound and covers it with several layers of bandage. The nurse is cleaning the wound and then she is wrapping so many layers of the several layers of bandage on that wound, and she is giving the warning that be sure to keep your leg clean, she says, and don't put much weight on it for a couple of days. For a couple of days, don't put more weight on this leg. Benson takes Kibomi on his bicycle to the Mukembe's house, and Benson is taking Kibomi on his bicycle to the Mukembe's house. And there, Lorinda is already back, and Chungu arrives a little later. Okay, Lorinda is already back at the house, and Chungu is also arriving a little later. Mr. and Mrs. Mukembe are relieved to see that all three are safe, and they are thankful that Kibomi's injury is not serious. Okay, now Mr. and Mrs. Mukembe, they are relieved. Why they are relieved? Because they were worried before, and when they have seen all the three children are safe, so now they are relieved, and they are thankful to God that Kibomi's injury is not much serious, not serious. Okay, once again Kibomi feels the warmth and the peace of Mukembe's home. Once again Kibomi is feeling the warmth of that house, peace and warmth of the house. However, deep in his heart, he knows that his stay there is coming to an end, and in the heart he is thinking that he has to leave this place. Okay, he is knowing that in heart he is thinking that now his stay in this house is coming to an end. He should continue his journey to Nangata, but his leg has to heal first. He is thinking that he has to be continue to his journey towards Nangata, but he is thinking that let his first leg has to be healed. Okay, and for now he must rest. For now he has to take rest. A few days later, Kibomi discuss his plans with Mr. and Mrs. Mukembe. That after a few days later, Kibomi is discussing his plan with Mr. and Mrs. Mukembe that he has to leave this place. They are sad to see him go. They are very sad that for that he has to leave place, but they agree that he should try to find his sister, but they are agree that he should find his sister. They give him the name and address of a friend in Nangata who can help him. They are giving him that address of one friend who is living in Nangata and asking that they can help you to find your uncle or your sister. He also received what he knows to be generous sum of money for the work he has done. For whatever he has done the work, for a generous sum of money he also is getting. The night before he leaves, when Kibomi will leave, at that night Kibomi and Chungu stay up late talking. Both that Kibomi and Chungu, for late night they are talking together. Chungu gives him a special gift. Chungu is giving Kibomi a special gift. What is that? His own book of prayer. His prayer book he is giving. Kibomi tells his friend how much he has learned these past few weeks, and Kibomi is explaining to his friend Chungu that how much he has learned in this past few weeks. Okay, he knows that life will not be easy, but somehow he is not afraid now. Okay, Kibomi is knowing that life will be not easy, but somehow he is now not afraid like how at beginning he was afraid and running here and there. He feels the strength to walk the difficult road ahead. Now he is having the strength, he can walk on the difficult road ahead. It is strange. He says in a calm voice. In calm voice, he is saying that it is strange that now I am having the. It is strange. Being shot erase whatever fear I had left, whatever fear I was having when I have shooted by the gun. So now that fear also I have released. Now erased. Now no fear is there in my heart. He is saying to himself. When Chungu falls asleep, when Chungu falls asleep, Kibomi closes his eyes and thinks about the next day, that what will happen the next day. He will rise early. He will rise early and get on a bus that will take him north. He is thinking that he will get up early and he will take a bus which will take him to the north, and he will be on the road again. On the road again he will be walking, but this time he will not be running away hopelessly. This time he will not running like hopelessly how he was running before. He will be looking with confidence towards a bright future, and now he will be looking towards with confidence towards a bright future. So this is the story. Now it is getting over, and in this manner this book is also over. Now you can understand that how much struggle Kibomi had in his life, and how many thoughts what he has chosen his life. It is very difficult to choose. So in the same manner we should also act. So this is all for today's class. Now home assignment. Read lesson 12 nicely and try to understand whole lesson. You will read nicely and understand nicely, because question answers are not there in this chapter, but middle of the chapter question you have to create and you have to understand. Write and learn the hard words of lesson 12 in your copy with their meaning. Whatever hard words you have got in this chapter, that you will note down in your copy with your meaning and learn. Okay, that's all students. Thank you everyone.